Two automation giants, countless workflows, one showdown. Which platform truly makes your life easier? On one side, the ever-popular IFTTT, famous for its simplicity and vast integrations. On the other, Automate.io, the flexible contender promising deeper automation and customization. We're testing them on the things that matter most: ease of use, integrations, pricing, workflow capabilities, and support. Let's push past the marketing claims and see how each platform performs in the real world. Points go to the winner in each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool deserves your trust. The answer might just surprise you. Let's get into it. So first, here's our little roadmap. Or think of it as a mind map of everything we're about to compare side by side. We'll look at price, features, integrations, scalability, ease of use, and, security and reliability. Everything that should matter to you before you make the jump. Sound good? Okay, first up, price. Honestly, IFTTT comes out swinging with that free tier. If you're just getting your feet wet or maybe automating a couple things at home, it's super wallet friendly. But fair warning, you'll have to pony up for the paid plans if you want those snazzy advanced features. Now, Automate.io, it's pretty competitive too, especially for businesses. But that free plan? Yeah, pretty limited, and if you're a heavy user, the cost can start piling up real quick. So for affordability and a little more flexibility, IFTTT wins this round. Moving on to features. Now, this one's interesting. IFTTT makes it crazy easy to hook up basic applets, stuff like turning your lights on at sunset or saving tweets automatically. But if you want to go wild with multi-step logic or build anything complex, it just can't really hang. Automate.io though. It's almost like they're challenging you to build that next level stuff. Think conditional logic, multi-step workflows, filters, the works. If you need business automations or things more advanced than if this, then that, Automate.io's got your back. So, they're the real features champ here. On to integrations. This is one of my favorite differences actually. IFTTT is like the king of integrations, over 800 apps, and so many of those are everyday things. Smart home gear, all the stuff you probably actually use at home. There's a catch though, some of those juicy integrations are locked behind a premium account. Automate.io. It's more about business apps. Think CRMs, email marketing, project management, but not quite as many total integrations. So if you want pure breadth and more fun stuff, IFTTT definitely takes the cake. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that IFTTT stands for if this then that? Super original, right? Plus, they've actually been around since 2010. OG status. Now, let's talk scalability. Here's where Automate.io flexes. IFTTT is awesome for solo users or small teams, but as soon as you need branching logic or anything resembling a real workflow, it kinda taps out. Automate.io. You've got multi-step branching logic, scheduled bots, you name it. And while some pro features cost extra, the platform is just flat out better for anyone thinking big. Businesses or people automating serious stuff, Automate.io wins hands down. Ease of use. Okay, this is actually a tie. IFTTT is about as easy as it gets. You can set up an applet in like a minute and it works great on your phone. But once you try to get clever with advanced logic, it's not the most intuitive. Automate.io has this cool visual drag and drop system, which is super clear for mapping out workflows. But I mean, once you start dabbling with advanced bots, be prepared for a little learning curve. Both are super approachable, but they get trickier as you go further. Alright, security and reliability, both pretty solid. IFTTT is established, uses secure OAuth, but sometimes those triggers take a hot second to actually fire, especially at busy times. Automate.io, they encrypt your data, they're GDPR compliant, but you might run into issues with API limits, meaning sometimes automations just kinda don't happen. Still, both are safe bets, and I'm calling this one a tie. Looking at both of them plotted across all our categories, you can totally see where each one shines. Seriously, it's not just a minor difference for some of these. Alright, big reveal moment. If you need easy, personal, or smart home automations with tons of integrations, honestly, IFTTT is where I'd lean. But if you really want to build business flows or need conditional logic and advanced stuff, Automate.io is the better pick, no contest. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to automate just about anything.